Hello all, today we have a nice pizza sauce that you can make one of these with. Okay, so we have our tin of tomatoes. Just squash them up with a potato masher. Get all the lumps out of it. Okay, so in our bowl we have half a teaspoon of dried herb mix, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. We'll chop our garlic up as best we can, and we get it into a pan on low heat with our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So once that starts to sizzle, we'll throw our dried herbs in. Give them a good stir up, and we need to make sure they don't burn, because if they burn, it's going to ruin it on us. Okay, so once that's ready, after about 20-30 seconds, we'll throw in our can of tomatoes, give it a good mix, bring the heat up to a slow boil. Then we'll add a pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar. Give that a good stir, and then get a little whisk in and try and make sure to get all the lumps out of it. Now if it's too thick for you, you can throw in a little 1/4 cup of water, but I like it like this, so I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so once it starts to boil, you need to bring it down to a low simmer just for about 15 minutes and end up with something like that. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please give us a like and subscribe. Bye bye and take it easy.